How to clear your phone memory without deleting any necessary files. This means none of your photos, videos, or other important files will be removed. We will only delete temporary junk files left by running applications. No third-party apps are needed. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's dive in. Let's find out which apps are taking up the most space on your phone's memory. Open Play Store on your phone. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, tap on your profile photo, scroll all the way down, and tap on Helping Feedback in the search bar. Type Delete and select Delete Apps on your Android device. Tap on Tap to go to Application Settings. It will take you to your app list. You will see a list of applications sorted by the space they occupy. You can start with any application that is occupying the largest space. Let me start with the Black Hole app on my phone. Tap on the Black Hole app in the list. Scroll down and tap Storage and Cache on the next page. Tap Clear Cache. Repeat this process for other apps at the top of the list. Let me show you which app takes up most of the storage, and because of that, your phone's memory is always full. Let's start with Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Press and hold the Facebook icon and tap App Info. Scroll down and tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache to free up more memory. Tap Clear Data, but remember that you'll need to log in again if you don't remember your Facebook password. Clear only the app cache. Let's do the same for Instagram. Press and hold the Instagram icon and tap App Info. Scroll down and tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache, tap Clear Data, only if you remember your password. Next is YouTube. On YouTube, you can clear both app cache and storage, even if you don't remember your password. Press and hold the YouTube icon and tap App Info. Scroll down and tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. You won't need to log in again. Let's move to TikTok. TikTok already has an inbuilt tool for clearing memory. You get to free up space. Tap Clear Cache and Clear Downloads. Now let's clear memory for WhatsApp. WhatsApp also has an inbuilt tool to clear storage. Start by opening in WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner, then tap Settings. On the next page, select Storage and Data, then Manage Storage. Click on Chats and choose Files to delete. Tap the trash icon to delete the file. Let's move on to the last application, which also often takes up a lot of memory on our phone. That's the Google Chrome app. Press and hold the Google Chrome icon and tap App Info. Scroll down and tap Storage in Cache. Tap Clear Cache, then clear all data and tap OK. After clearing these apps, you will free up a lot of memory on your phone.